Hello everyone, this is Mashwasta. Welcome back to my YouTube channel cat.in. So today we will learn about another tool which is Extrude Cut. This one, Extruded Cut. So this tool is used for removing material, and all together this Extruded Cut, Revolve Cut, Sweep Cut, Lofted Cut and Boundary Cuts are used for cutting a solid body from a part of existing body. So first we will create an existing solid body. So just just take this rectangle here and draw this one and complete the sketch and extrude it using extruded boss base. So like this. So you can see as soon as we created any a solid body, this extruded cut and all together cutting option is available now in the SolidWorks interface. So we can use this extruded cut using same method as we have used sketch on this extruded boss. Okay, so let's just take this face. If you want to create a hole on this face, just we select this face and go for the sketch and draw a circle here. Let's just say like this. So this is the circle and we want the hole all together from this end to this end to make it hollow. Okay, so just click on, make sure you have a sketch tool is selected and do the same thing. Just go for the extruded cut window or tool, and you can see project manager will show this cut extrude tool, and you can also see the blind option. It is here. The all the function as we have learned about during our extruded boss base is similar to in extruded cut, but only condition is in this case we are going to remove the material. Okay, so it is showing 83. I think our previous extrusion is 83, so it is showing like this. You can see the projection here or the preview here. So just make sure it goes back to, if you want to create a all together hole, and just click OK. You can see you will find this one. Okay, so it is easy. I don't think it is needed any more clarification now. But if you want to create any circle or rectangle, any sketch, any close sketch, you can make on it. Let's just take a rectangle here and press on it. And if you again want to create a all together hole or through hole, just go for this extruded cut, and you can see it is cutting all together and it is also going here. But the thing is, this portion is already removed, so when we check this one, it will look like this, right? You can see that. Okay, and we can also use this section view, so we can see the geometry inside the body like this, or you can use the top plane, so you can see here also what is happening now. So we have created two cut or through cut, right? So let's just take another sketch. Let me delete this one and go through all the properties which we have already gone through in extruded boss once again in this cut extrusion tool. So let's just take, we have created this rectangle and going for the extrusion. Now we want to cut this face up to half or any particular distance. So we just go for, or you can also just directly go for extrusion cut like this. It will give us the plane which will give us the shape or the face which we have selected, and just draw a circle or any object on it like this and press OK. It will automatically make it like this. Extrusion will be taken. Okay. Now let's just move it up to this distance. Let's just say it is in at 19 distance. So just click on it and it will extrude cut it up to 19 mm. Okay. So once again, just select the first face or the face where we want to create a cut. Go for extrusion cut. It will automatically SolidWorks will create a will open the sketch interface. You can see from here, and just let's just draw a slot here like this, or you can create a circle here. And you remember the condition, if we created more than one loop in a single sketch, the extrusion will be same for both of them. So you can see the cut will be same for both of them like this. Or if you want to create a separate extrusion depth, so we will use this contour tool, right? So let's just extrude it like this, right? And there is another cut called drafting cut. So we will again go for this sketch and let's just draw a circle here and go for this feature extrusion cut. And you can see the flip side all, yeah, we will also see this flip side also. So let's just take this draft on and off first. You can see the degree is changing, the tapering is changing, and it is basically by default it is inward. And if you're going to make a draft, so it will look like this. And if you want to preview it before completing the sketch, you can preview also. It will look like this, right? Or just click on it and it will look like this. Or let's just edit the feature as inward. If you want to edit anything, just edit the feature and check this draft in outward and it will cut it like draft inward. Or you can see the countersinking shape, right? Understood? I think it is clear. So one option is there also. So we will take this and all the thing is equal as it, all the thing are same as in we have learned in extrude tool. And we will also see this extrusion cut in our next lectures also because this tool is very important. So let's just take it, let's just make it 180 right now. And this one, let's just say 120. And we will extrude it. Now see, there is one option called flip side to cut, right? So what we can do, let's just make a circle at the center. So how can we make a circle at the center? Just make a center line from here to here and draw a circle at the midline, at the midpoint of this line, like this. Okay, I think it is clear. Now we will again go for the extrusion cut and we will cutting up to this portion. Okay. Now if we complete this sketch now, it will cut like this, right? It will look like this. The other condition is this flip side to cut. So flip side to cut means the area which this body is covering, this extrusion depth is covering. If we click on this flip side to cut, what will happen? The opposite portion of the area will be, you can see this arrow, the opposite portion will be deleted and this one will remain. Okay, when we complete it, it will look like this. You can understand? You, I think it is clear. We will see this point also in our coming drawings where we will practice on it. So you can also see what is the property of this feature. But I think you can see the direction of cut is not changed. It will, this body will remain as it is, the depth of this one. Or you can also make it like draft. Or now in this condition, because we are moving in opposite direction, so draft, basically draft outward will become draft inward and draft inward will become draft outward. You can already, you can see it from here because we are going opposite side of the flip side of the cut. Okay, now let's just okay it will look like this. So I think extrusion cut is clear for you. If you have any doubt or any question, please write it down and please comment on it. And also please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And also share with your friends. Okay, thank you. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.